This is what is this called?
Shillong.
Next is Sanmari. This is Chatlang. Next is that one is Sanmari. Behind that,
Behind
wow, it's misty.
Double bridge
Airport, na? That is Langko Airport.
Yes.
And that is Chatlang. That is behind that Chanmari.
Yeah. No, I went there, but we were not allowed. Yeah. Yeah. I love this bike, okay? I love this so much that I am going to buy this immediately after leaving now. The delivery time will be 2 to 3 months. Still I am going to invest on that because it's a very powerful bike here. You will just see, okay, how much powerful it is.
What about the traffic condition?
Less than 100, less than 50 every day. Still fine. But drive carefully and slowly, okay, in this bike. No rush, okay?
No.
I'm a very slow driver in... Yeah, exactly. After Grace have come now, I've become very scared, okay? They are kids now, they are pagal. And this bike is a very good bike, okay? Very comfortable, very stable and no jerks, okay? Yeah. My friend has car. I have driven it. It's a very safe and good car, but it's not much spacious. Yeah. See the view of Aizawl. Wow. I'm going to put this video in YouTube, okay? See how calmly I'm very slow in driving, okay? Rini is always scared of me, okay? Driving very fast and all this stuff. No, beta. Yeah. Let it be slowly, take 10 minutes more. No, not at all, yeah. Yeah, Shimla bhi aisa hai. You come visit and you know बड़ा हो जाता है. Come. From here we have to turn left, I think. Straight, na?
Yeah.
So now from left, na? You will just see why I am telling you now. See the torque. How easily it will. This is so high, देखो, and it is so easily it is climbing up. Okay, and then this is second gear. Yeah. XUV ना? अच्छा है ना? See this one, so easily it will climb. Okay. Don't want to drive fast. I just want to relax and climb. This is what this bike gives. If you are 40 plus, you should definitely buy this. If you are less than 40, go for Honda. It has good acceleration. It has not so good acceleration, but it's very calm and powerful. That's a trade-off experience guy, like 40 plus, okay? So now if you are 40 plus, you should definitely buy this. See? And this is very old model, okay? This is vibrations. Now new model doesn't have vibration. This is third gear, okay? Now we will turn right.
Yeah.
Very cold. Very cold, very cold. Sudden change. It's cold and it's high. Yeah, see the climb. That's why I'm trying to tell you, buy this vehicle, okay? It's lovely. You got it? So much in control, yeah. And no jerks, okay? No jerks. One way. Why immediately? We have to go. Let's go. It's a beautiful place here. How slowly we are driving now. Now you have to reduce the speed. There will be entry. My eyes are burning, I don't know why. Wow. It's lovely here. It's a big Campark. I don't know what is this.
Pawan Hands helicopter, no, it will take only like 20-30 minutes.
Border is there.
No, it's, we cannot see because of that mountain range.
Okay. Behind that.
That is Sulphil.
That is MIZORAM.
Yes.
So this is what is this called?
Shillong. Next is Sanmari.
This is Chatlang. Next is that one is Sanmari.
Behind
that?
Behind that.
Wow, it's misty.
Misty.
Double bridge
Langpui Airport.
Airport, na? That is Langpui Airport.
Yes.
And that is Chatlang. That is behind that Chanmari.
That one is Langpui.
And that one?
Đây nghe natural đấy vào.
Hanging bridge.
Depends. Demo.
Yes. That one is some rifle.
Sam rifle.
Yes.
The helipad.
Oh,
Helipad is behind this. That one is Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, Molpui. Red. You see that red one?
Yeah, I'm just zooming in. Yeah. It's misty now, na? I'll go there.
That's Zemabok side.
Zemabok, na?
Yeah.
That one.
Where you've been to that, cancer hospital
Yeah.
permit.
Yeah.
So.
So now, let me. इसका तो wide angle का ही चलेगा. It's like we have to take photograph with wide angle, yeah. So we have reached this. This is called ATC.
Yeah.
ATC viewpoint of Aizawl.
Yes.
And from here we can have a view of the airport, Aizawl, and Chatlang area. And behind behind that hills we have that Myanmar. Come in. So amazing. Christmas. It's a lovely view. I hope it will not fall, na? Wow, this hills were missing from there. And this is stadium or what?
Yeah, Brigade Field.
Yeah, that is one Brigade field.
Bomber.
And this is Gospel?
ATC, Aizawl Theological College.
Oh.
There, behind that tree is a Sinod Hospital.
Yeah, that hospital they have gone.
We're being
Zoom to him.
Such a lovely view.
Nói thêm một nuông tiếp một cái
Chatlang, you can see. This is this area, Chatlang. It's a little bit misty. Not so. This is amazing view.
cái không giờ như gì mà cây tổ mồ không có đi cần gì
Yeah, this is beautiful. Zemabok. Ano ito no? Beautiful.
This is amazing.
Island. Oh.
This is amazing.
anh rất cái này cái lần sinh mô đâu luôn
Now you can see mountain the hills of MIZORAM.
Có tấm tục lột vậy đâu.
See the hills, yeah. You can see all of the area. Lovely. Mist is there, so I'll show you. The camera will not be justifying. So another view I have seen, I've taken another view of Aizawl, and most probably this will be, before leaving this place, this will be the last place. And last time I'm coming for an outing, and see you soon. Lovely. It was last but not the least. So see you soon. We will be traveling back to Chandigarh tomorrow morning, and then after that we'll come again after 6 months or 1 year. We'll see. Until that time, see you. Bye bye from Aizawl.
You see, na? Some numbers written.
Yeah, numbers are written.
Now it's blinking. Blue is blinking here.
Yeah, blinking.
Blinking na. Bas khatam. Yeah. Sit. Left. Now rest of the videos will come in the like action camera also, na? Let's go, na?